Hi everyone. So welcome back to our YouTube channel. So also welcome to the zero account of Happy Shop. So this is our zero account that we're going to uh, discuss about Shopify bookkeeping using zero accounting software. So in our previous video, we discussed about setting up the bank accounts for our Shopify store in Zero Accounting Software. So we have set up Bank of America checking account and also PayPal US dollar bank account. So we also created the chart of accounts for our sales or revenue for Shopify sales and revenue. And those are Shopify sales, Shopify shipping income, Shopify discounts, Shopify refunds. So those are the main income accounts that we are going to use to record sales for our Shopify store. So for today, we are going to create clearing accounts that we are going to use for our Shopify store that will help us to track the payment channels, the payments that are being made in the different payment channels. So we are adding three clearing accounts, and these clearing accounts, uh, the account type is current asset. So we are going to use code 1351. And then the first clearing account that we are going to use is Shopify payments clearing. So usually your Shopify store is linked to your bank account or checking account. And this is the one that is paid using the Shopify payments account. So this one is our first clearing account. Okay, and then save it. Then we are going to create another uh, clearing account. So 1352. So we are creating the PayPal payments clearing account. Mhm. So in this example, we will be using also PayPal payments clearing account because our Shopify store is also using PayPal payments. Okay, and then the last clearing account that we are going to create, which is account 1353, is Afterpay clearing account. Okay, so our Shopify store is also using Afterpay for payments. So we are creating Afterpay clearing account in zero. Okay, so we already have our three clearing accounts that we are going to use um for recording the sales transactions in our Shopify store. Then we are also creating another account, which is we can put it under direct costs. So 5301 under direct cost. So 5301. And this is for Shopify uh, fees. Okay. Then another account. This account, we are going to use this account also under direct cost 5302. And this is Shopify shipping. So don't worry, we are going to discuss each account when we are ready to record our sales from our Shopify store. Okay, so now we have two bank accounts, and then we have our clearing accounts. Then we also have um, our sales accounts. So these are our sales accounts. And then we are also going to create another account which will track the gift card liability in Shopify. And that is under current liability. And we are going to use 2191 code. Okay, 2191 code. And then this is, we call this Shopify gift card liability. Okay, so this is where we are going to track the Shopify gift cards. Okay, then we're saving it. Then along the way, we can create more chart of accounts that we can use, or if you will be adding more bank accounts or credit card, then you can use this icon here. Or if you already have your list of chart of accounts in a CSV file, then you can import uh, those chart of accounts using this tab inside Zero Accounting Software. Okay, so that's it for today. And then in our next video, so make sure that you already subscribe to our channel, because in our next video we are going um to record transactions that are related to our Shopify business. Okay, so thank you very much and see you in our next tutorial. Bye bye.